For the last couple of months, I've traveled with friends without any plan, and I filmed all of it. Each of these adventures were truly unique in their own way, and I can't wait to share them with you. There's an island in the Indian Ocean called Mauritius, and it's known for its beautiful oceans, reefs and lagoons, but also for its waterfalls and hiking trails. However, we soon realized after meeting our local friend Bart that there's an entire underwater world ready to be discovered. So we headed on a boat with him, and without knowing, we set off on one of the most incredible adventures each of us ever experienced. What happened next was truly mesmerizing.
That must be one of the best views I've seen in a while.
This is fucking amazing. Bro, absolutely insane. It's so bad.
Hey, what's up guys? So if you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching and I appreciate this a ton. But before finishing off this video, I want to share the sponsor that made all of this possible, which is Canva. I've actually been using Canva myself before they reached out, and that's why I thought it was a great partnership to do. And I honestly think that you would benefit from using their platform as I do myself. So that's why I'll share a little bit more about what they have to offer. So there's many reasons to use Canva, because there's many things they offer, but for me the main reason I use it is because of their pitch decks. So they allow me to use pitch decks with amazing templates and very professional looking styles that I can easily access and change the way I want to use them. So I use these for my clients, for my new clients and for my old guys to pitch them projects that I think they might be interested in. So here's an example of a pitch that I recently did to a client of mine. So these designs help me stay professional and I never lose a file because of the organized folders that they offer. Canva Pro has everything you need in one place no matter what you're creating. From presentations, video editing, Instagram posting, posters, logos, YouTube thumbnails, invoices for clients and even pitch decks. And in my opinion, their templates look really great, so I don't have to design them myself and they're very easy to use, so I don't have to spend time on designing themselves. So often I want to use different ones depending on which client and what project I'm pitching. So here I can just select them and I can use whatever one I want without having to make them or come up with the creativity myself. Also, if you're working with a team of up to 5 people, you just pay €12.95 and unlock everything Canva Pro has to offer. Or you can use the link in my description for a 45 extended trial for Canva Pro. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one and I appreciate all of you. Thank you.